Electronic chip-level repairing and troubleshooting is an advanced process focusing on diagnosing and repairing faults at the component and IC level on electronic boards. Unlike standard module replacement, this specialized method aims to restore functionality by addressing defective components such as ICs, resistors, and microcontrollers. This intricate practice requires substantial knowledge in electronic circuit design, semiconductor device operation, PCB layouts, and both digital and analog electronics. The repair process typically begins with a visual inspection to identify damaged components and track issues. Following this, power line analysis is conducted to measure voltage levels and detect any short circuits. Signal tracing entails using schematics to verify signal integrity across the PCB, while component testing examines passive components and ICs for faults. Thermal analysis is crucial for detecting overheating components, employing thermal cameras or touch methods to locate issues. Once problematic components are identified, IC-level diagnosis assesses pin voltages and logic states to determine if reprogramming or replacement is necessary. The techniques required for chip-level repair include micro-soldering and desoldering, IC replacement and reballing, as well as PCB track repair. Advanced tools such as digital multimeters, oscilloscopes, and BGA reworkstations are essential for precision work. This approach finds applications across various domains, including power supply boards, computer motherboards, and consumer electronics. The benefits of chip-level repair are numerous. It is cost-effective compared to full board replacements, extends equipment lifespan, reduces electronic waste, and allows for precise fault correction. In summary, chip-level repairing and troubleshooting employ advanced diagnostics to restore functionality in electronic systems. It encompasses sophisticated techniques and tools, ultimately providing a sustainable solution for modern electronics.
IES Technology is a professional technical service provider specializing in electronic repair, electrical troubleshooting, and advanced system maintenance solutions. The company focuses on delivering reliable, efficient, and cost-effective repair services for various industrial, commercial, and electronic systems. IES Technology Qatar. Contact us for your convenient services. Telephone 711-71041-502555686. Email info@iestechnology.com.qa. Web www.iestechnology.com.qa